in today's video we got another fantastic Threadbeast box. This one right here is hurting my wrist right now because this one's actually pretty heavy. I think it said on UPS.com that it was 3.1 pounds, so that's actually pretty stacked up for a Threadbeast video. So I'm very excited to see what I got in today's video. Maybe another pair of shoes like I did last month. Who knows? Who knows? But let's go ahead and check out today's box. Go ahead and slide it up a little bit. And let's go ahead and start opening it. As soon as I open the box, I see that on the left I got a pair of pink Dolphin slides and I got a pair of pants right here, but I don't want to get a little bit too far ahead, so I'm going to go ahead and slide the box to the side and we'll do like I do in normal videos, and we'll go over each product individually, guys. So stay tuned to the very end to see what's underneath all this super cool pile of threads right here. So let's go ahead and check that out. All right, first of all, like I said, we got these pink Dolphin slides. These ones are actually pretty sleek. I like them. I hope they feel well on the feet though. And I think they're my size. They look about it. They're huge. You know what I mean? So there we go. There's the bottom right there. Pink Dolphin. Really cool. They actually feel soft as well. So they're going to be really cool to wear. And alongside those, I got for the first time in any of my Threadbeast packages, I finally got the stickers. So super excited. Oh, that one's got the curved D. Oh, oof. Ooh, curved D. That didn't even sound good, guys. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, guys. Don't even bash me down in the comment sections talking about my curved D over here. But anyway, guys, let's go ahead and hop back into the video and see what else we've got. Next on our list is actually a bonus item that I received because they actually hit me up with an email and was like, hey, if you reinstall your Threadbeast, we'll go ahead and send you some bonus items. So I was like, let's do that, because I haven't been actually covering Threadbeast as much lately. So I took one of my accounts off. So this one's the bonus items for that. And really digging these pants, actually. This is about what I used to wear back in the day anyway. I always was in khaki top material, khaki colored anyway. These ones are really sleek. The pockets on them feel like sweatpant pockets. They're really cool. I actually really digging those pockets, bro. And like it says, 38 size waist, bro, because you know I'm a big dude, so that's all right, bro. We're trying to cut down. I'm about to get to that 34 size or something, you know what I mean? 34 stocky. But now look at that folding skills. See, I feel like Threadbeast is actually making my folding skills a lot better as well, so I'm going to continue doing that. But that's a great second product, guys. I'm going to go ahead and pop that right on top of the stickers. We'll go ahead and move on to our third item right quick. This one right here is kind of cool. It feels amazing. I mean, like, the quality of this is amazing. It's from Renowned Los Angeles. Got the tag but no price on it. And it says Renowned. It has a wolf biting another wolf right in the face, bro. So, and it's like the picture's kind of melting too. So it looks pretty wicked. Then at the very bottom it says Renowned Los Angeles, so it's got a little sewn on tag right there. I don't know if I should keep that on there or take that off, but I'm actually going to keep that on there. I don't know. I think it looks pretty cool. But let's go ahead and check out the back, see if there's anything on it. Nope. It's got the blank back, but overall, super cool. I like that one, but I don't know if I'm going to rock it myself. I know a couple people that would like this shirt, so I'll probably just give this one away, honestly. But yeah, let me know if you guys like it, if it's more along your style down in the comment section below. If you guys don't, also let me know down in the comment section below. Be like, no, don't even mess with that, not at all. But let's go ahead and move on to our next item and see exactly what we got there. Super excited. If you didn't know what that little clap was, that was me going like that. So, all right, stay tuned for the next item. Let's roll. Boozam! We got a super clean staple shirt. This one is super clean because it's all black except for just a little staple right here on the chest. Really cool. Nothing on the... Oh, snap! What? Was not expecting that. I was literally in the midst of saying nothing on the back because the front was so plain. I didn't think that the back would have anything on it. Yo! That's crazy. I like that. That's the coolest like depiction of the pigeon that I've seen this whole entire time from Staple. Depiction of the pigeon. But yeah, I really like the color and stuff. This one's actually a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna rock that. Please definitely let me know your comments down in the comment section below on this one, because I believe that one's super fresh. Actually, one of the coolest things I've gotten from Threadbeast, so can't wait to check that one out. Super fresh. All right, now for our last item are these Jack and Joan pants right here. It says Jack and Jones here on the tag. And these ones I really don't like. I really honestly feel like I'm going to make them into like a military burlap sack type thing. They feel really thick. They're like green stone washed. And I don't know, they just don't match my style much. I don't really mess with it, but super cool. I mean, definitely I'll probably rock them because I really don't care what I wear. But overall, like, not my style. I definitely dig the khakis 10 times over. Even the pockets look weird. I don't know. It just looks weird when a pocket's like that. It's just got the little slap. Like, bro, that looks weird. But yeah, super exciting, guys. That isn't the last product, but I do want to thank you all for watching. I just now hit 1,000 subscribers, so officially part of the YouTube Partner Program. And I wouldn't be able to make it here without you guys, especially all my Threadbeast fans. So I also want to give a big shout out to Chris Carson. He hit me up down in the comment section below on one of my other Threadbeast videos and was super excited to tell me that he got his first box and he used my referral program as well. So I'll also be getting a free referral box from Chris. So super cool, Chris. I appreciate you, bro. Anybody else that wants to let me know that they use my referral program, hit me up down in the comment section below, and I will also shout you guys out because I appreciate you guys helping me keep the channel going. Like I said, I just now made it to 1,000 for you guys, so I'm going to be able to hook you guys up a little bit more, and we're going to get the content quality up a little bit as well. So super cool, guys. I figured I want to show you this. Today's video was actually a basic box, and it only cost 55 bucks. I did get a bonus item though, like I said. So normally for 55 bucks, I would have got that, and the flippers too. It's funny I call them flippers because they got the Dolphins on. But yeah, normally I wouldn't get this other bonus item, so don't incorporate that. But this was the $55 basic plan, and super cool. If you guys want to check out Threadbeast, like I said, I'll leave a link down in the description below for you guys to check them out. Stay tuned for more Threadbeast. Stay tuned for more Scentbox, more awesome products with real life applications. Smash that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. Thank you all once again for watching, and as always, keep it real.